Hey guys, I just want to share with you my solution. How did I fix the extra blank pages into my Google Docs? Actually, I've already read a lot of tutorials and watched tutorials in YouTube, and neither of them worked. So yeah, I just want to share with you my solution. So while I am creating this contract, I am struggling on how to delete these extra blank pages in here. So even though I move the text up, okay, it's still not letting me to delete the extra pages in here. One of the common suggestion on YouTube tutorials and article is to also set up the page of your Google Docs. It doesn't work for me, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to the file, go to the page setup, and yeah, as you can see, I already set the margin from 1 to 0.2. Same with the bottom margin. But yeah, it doesn't work for me, and I also don't want to affect my first page, so I only selected the page 2 or selected content. And as you notice, again, it doesn't work for me. Like even though I keep hitting the backspace, it doesn't allow me to remove the last page. Now, what I noticed that this flickering thing seems to be a character that is hidden. So when I click the view and click on the show non-printing characters, I noticed that there is a 3 non-printing characters that needs to be removed. So first is what I did is I removed the extra footer into the last page and also in the second page, and you can see that here. You just want to make sure that you disabled. So right now it's already disabled. Yeah, so if you wanna here, so as you can see, there's still an extra header, but you just need to remove the extra pages. Once you're good in that, you can just exit the header, and then you can just click on enter. You highlight it, you highlight the non-printing character, you press control, and you hold the control key, and then you press del, and voila, that's how it works. So those are just non-printing characters in your last page that needs to be removed as well, so you can remove the blank pages. Hope that works, guys, and if you have any question, comment down below. Thank you.